Let's make our delicious tropical Jamaican blended fruit punch. Starting off, I'm going to be making two versions, the healthier version and the nice sweet version that we're all used to. So I'm going to go ahead and peel all my fruits. We have our mangoes, bananas, papayas, and pineapple. These are the usual fruits that we use in our Jamaican blended fruit punch. However, if there's any other fruit that you love, you can go ahead and add it. So I'm gonna slice up the pineapple, and after slicing the pineapple, I'm gonna remove the core. When you're making your blended fruit punch, you're gonna need to remove the core. If you're juicing and you're using a juicer, then it doesn't matter because the juicer will do all the work for you. For the bananas, if you're gonna blend it right away, you can go ahead and peel it. The one that you see me peeling here is for the healthy version, which will be going in the freezer, and that's the only reason why I peel it the day before. Alright, so for the fresh one, we're going to start off with that one, and I'm going to be using the fruits that I put just to chill in the fridge. And I'm going to add all my papayas, my pineapples, bananas, and for the liquid, it's going to be syrup. If you want to make this authentic one and you can't find a Jamaican store close by, you can use any other syrup that you can find, whether strawberry or cherry. Alright, but if you have a Jamaican store, you can go and grab the strawberry or cherry syrup to add to your blended fruit punch. Now you're gonna need some ice, and we're gonna blend that together and set it aside. And now we're gonna go ahead and blend the healthy version. These are the frozen fruits, and I have some organic orange which I'm gonna use to help this to blend just a little bit, not a lot. So you just need a little liquid in there to help the fruits to blend. And once everything is blended out, it's gonna be thick and smooth because these were frozen. So if you go to a hotel in Jamaica and order a blended fruit punch, you would get that red one unless you tell them you don't want any syrup in it. Alright, and this one is the healthier version. It's normally have an orangish color from the papaya, but I use the orange juice, so it's yellow. My kids grew up drinking this because whenever I get my day off, I always blend it for them, and they love it. So let me know in the comments which one you'll be trying out if you never tried it before, and if you have tried it before, let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your week.